guys, I'm Laura and you're watching Valentine Forever. And today I wanted to show you guys or share with you some recipes I found on Pinterest that I would like to recreate. So let's see how they turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy looking at all these recipes that I share with you all. If you recreate any of them, make sure you let me know or hashtag Valentine Forever. I would love to see how yours turned out. I'm sure it would turn out better than mine. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. It will mean the world to me to have you as part of our VFF family. And to all my OG, you know I love you. Thank you so much for your support, and until next time, bye.